Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create this beautiful Indian glam makeup look. I am totally in love with this look. This will go with any Indian attire and is perfect for every occasion. I created this look using all Sugar Cosmetics products. They were kind enough to send me a huge PR package to try out and I loved them all. As you guys can see that this look has turned out just perfect. So without any further ado, let's start with the tutorial, but before that do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's go now. To start off with, I'm using the Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer and applying it all over my face in the dabbing motion. Next, to cover up my dark spots, I'm using the Magic Wand Concealer and applying it under my eyes where I have dark circles and around my nose and my mouth where I have dark spots and pigmentation. Now to blend everything in, I'm using a brush and blending the concealer into my skin. You can see how easily it is blendable and it is a full coverage concealer which can hide away all the imperfections and pigmentation which you might have. For my foundation, I'm using the Rage for Coverage 24-hour foundation and first I'm applying it all over my face for a even coverage and application of foundation, and then I'm just buffing the foundation in using a beauty sponge. This is a full coverage foundation and gives a beautiful satin finish to the skin. Next, to highlight my face, I'm using the same concealer in the shade 12 and just applying it where I want to highlight, that is under my eyes and in the center of my face, and just applying it where I need more light to reflect from my face. Also, I'm just going to apply a little bit of it under my contour to define my face further. Now to blend the concealer in, I'm using the same brush and just blending in. This concealer is so blendable and gives such a perfect coverage and highlight. A little bit goes a long way. I'm just blending it in around my eyes and you guys can see how highlighted it has made my face look. Now, as I love baking, I'm going to use the sugar translucent powder and I'm going to apply it really nicely at all the areas where I have applied the highlighting concealer, that is under my eyes and around my contours, and I'm just going to leave it for a couple of seconds. Then I'm going to use a powder brush and I'm just going to dust off the excess powder. This translucent powder is really nice and does not create a white cast and is perfect to set your foundation for a sweat proof look throughout the day. Now I'm using their Contour de Force palette in shade 01. Now I'm using the contour shade to contour and bronze my face. Also, I'm going to define my forehead and just going to apply a little bit over my nose. Now picking up the blush, I'm just applying it on the apples of my cheeks in the upward direction. Now to set everything in, I'm going to use a setting spray and I'm just going to spray a little bit of it and dab it in with the sponge. This will ensure that all the excess powder is removed from the face and all the contour and blush is blended in nicely into the skin. Now I'm applying the highlight on the high points of my face and this completes our face makeup. For my eyes, I'm first using the Arc Arrival in the shade 04 to define my eyebrows. I'm first creating the shape and just filling it in afterwards. At the end, I'm just brushing all the hairs out using the spoolie side of the product. For my eyeshadows, I'm using Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in 04 and picking up this shade Soft Apricot. This is going to be my transition shade and I'm going to apply it all over my crease area. Now I'm moving on with the shade Cinnamon Brown and I'm going to define my crease with the same and just going to deepen my outer corner with the same shade and just going to blend it with my first shade and give it a smooth look. Next, I'm picking up the shade Salmon Gold and I'm just going to apply it all over first half of my eyelids and going to give it a cut crease look without actually cutting the crease. This shade is so good and so blendable and buildable and I have gone around 2-3 layers for this. Now I'm picking up the same shade Cinnamon Brown and just blending the eyeshadows. For my liner, I'm going to pick up the Sugar Intense Kajal liner in the shade 04 True Blue and going to apply it as a wing liner. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use the same shades Cinnamon Brown and define my lower lashes, and just going to line my waterline with the same kajal. Just using a shader brush and blending the edges for the liner. For my mascara, I'm using the Limitless mascara in the shade 01 and applying a nice coat of the same on my upper and lower lashes. To complete off my look, I'm using the Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipstick in the shade 09. This goes perfect with this eye shade. This is how the final look turned out. I applied a bindi to complete the Indian look and put on some jewelry. We are good to go to any party or enjoy any festival which we might have. These products blended so beautifully. I absolutely love them. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this look, and in case you recreated, then do tag me in your photos. I would love to see them all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Keep following me for more such beautiful makeup looks. I would see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.